Hello, hi, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Easy Tech Support. Today I'll be showing you how we can use Messenger in different way. That is, we all have been using in our daily life while sending text to our friends, family, relatives, colleagues, and so on. So, Facebook has recently launched a feature where you can send emoji with sound, so that is quite new, and I thought why not a video on the same. So to send emoji with sound, first you need to open up your messenger like usual and tap on the person you want to chat. Like I want to chat with my sister. I have opened up the screen. Then you can see previously you could hello and laugh emoji. That is all we were given the feature, but now suppose I want to send her the clapping emoji with sound. So for that I simply have to tap on the right side emoji, click on it. Then after that you could see on the top like star and gif emoji, and next to that the last option is sound, so tap on it. So see, if you scroll a little, then you can see some insects clapping, and the music laughing and so on. You could see numbers of sound emoji over here. I'll make you hear the emoji sound once more. Next is this one. Check this one. Teasing emoji. Okay. And finally is kiss emoji. And first one is music one. So you could send any emoji with sound you want, same like the normal emoji over here. For example, let me select the clapping emoji and it will be displayed on the top. After that you simply have to click on send button, so it's gone. Like it is sent to the person you want. For example, I want to send the teasing emoji. It is displayed with sound. You will be able to hear the sound. Then send. Done. So that's all, and I think this emoji will really help people who can't see. The blind people can use this feature. They can simply tap and get what kind of emotion or what kind of emoji they want to send. So it is also I think this is also meant for the specially abled person. It will make their communication more easier, I think so. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you have, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.